Made by BRUDERER. For decades, your guarantee of maximum productivity in the world of punching technology. Characteristic features such as outstanding precision, high performance, and renowned reliability guarantee maximum productivity with optimum tool life, order after order for the life of the press. An automatic punching press is often exposed to considerable loads and is usually operated round the clock. The engineering design of the press drive plays a vital role in terms of service life and value retention. The drive of a BRUDERER high-performance automatic punching press is designed in such a way that only 60% of the total load acts on the main bearings and connecting rod bearings. Thanks to its ingenious design, the ram height adjustment system, which is arranged in the stationary housing of the machine, is only subject to a 40% load. This sophisticated system is not only gentle on all the active components of the press, but it also guarantees that it will maintain its value while requiring only minimum maintenance. Even after years of heavy-duty work, BRUDERER automatic punching presses have a high resale value. Another important feature is the consistent quality of the stampings, year after year. It is a well-known fact that every acceleration creates centrifugal forces. On a high-performance automatic punching press, this centrifugal force can amount to up to 40 G in the BDC, bottom dead center, position of the ram. As a result, the reference dimension, for example that of a coining station, inevitably changes as speeds increase. It is now a matter of controlling these enormous forces and the resulting elongations. This means that the reference dimension, in this case the BDC position of the ram, must be held constant over the entire speed range. The unique design of BRUDERER's press drive allows the position of the ram to be adjusted during the punching process, even when under full load and at maximum speed. Any deviation from the reference dimension is compensated for by the press's control system in combination with the unique ram height adjustment, automatically and accurate to 1/100th of a millimeter, up to 40 times gravitational force. The result? 100% repeating accuracy of the stamped parts, made by BRUDERER. Another unique feature on BRUDERER high-performance automatic punching presses is the ram guide system at strip level. For design reasons, there is always off-center load due to the cutting, coining and bending stations in the stamping dies. Furthermore, the initial stamping of the raw material inevitably produces an off-center load on the ram. The tilting point of the ram always lies in the diagonals of all ram guides. If this tilting point is not on the strip level, it is impossible to prevent the punch from moving. Consequently, the cutting punch is subject to increased wear, not to mention the increased possibility of broken punches. The benefits of BRUDERER's guide system with its multiple ram support at strip level are self-evident. Minimum wear of cutting punches and dies, no broken punches, and no interruptions to production due to regrinding operations. All these guarantee maximum tool life. Any punching process creates heat, a fact that is well known to anyone working on a punching press. During this process, the dimensions of the steel change under these thermal influences. Punching presses with long tool loading apertures are naturally generously dimensioned in the guide diagonals. However, despite the provision of adequate cooling systems, varying degrees of heat expansion between the ram and press housing are inevitable. BRUDERER's thermally neutral ram guide system permits heat expansion over the center of the ram without any distortion of the guides or any change in clearance in the sliding guides. This sophisticated BRUDERER design feature is yet another essential quality characteristic of our press's exceptionally long service life. Slides are only subject to minimum loads and wear is hardly visible, even after many years of production. BRUDERER high-performance automatic punching presses. Technology in perfection. Leading international customers insist on highest precision and 100% repeating accuracy with the best possible terms. Made by BRUDERER, your guarantee of the very best return on investment, today and in the future.